coastline where the cliffs meet the sea. Twofold Bay stretching wild and free. Eagle's claw stands watch high against the sky, with waves below crashing, seagulls flying by. Oh Eden, so steady and true. From sunrise to sunset, skies of every hue. From green hills to blue waves, as far as I can see. Eden's calling out, come and be free. Down by Cocora Beach, the town meets the shore. Quiet boats at anchor, nothing more. Snug Cove Wharf and waters, still in morning's light, reflect the peace of Eden, calm and bright. Oh Eden, so steady and true. From sunrise to sunset, skies of every hue. From green hills to blue waves, as far as I can see. Eden's calling out, come and be free. Come and be free. Aslings Beach Ocean Pool, where the colors turn red. Waves kiss the shoreline where so many have tread. The rocks and the waters in autumn's embrace, a dance of the coastline, nature's own grace. Through Aslings Bay at dawn, soft and still, where the hills meet the sea with a gentle thrill. Canary Wharf standing through seasons gone by, in the heart of winter, beneath the silver sky. Thompson's Point below, where pools shine so clear, the blue and the green meet, the water's near. Eden's town beneath us, framed by lake and sea, in the gentle light of spring's reprieve. Oh Eden, so steady and true. From sunrise to sunset, skies of every hue. From green hills to blue waves, as far as I can see. Eden's calling out, come and be free. Come and be free. Sunrise over Nellica, gold in the dawn. Boytown Beach in morning's young. Quarantine Bay sparkles in turquoise and green. Keys pinch a treasure, nature's serene. Cocora Beach at rest, in summer's warm light. Anchor boats drifting till day turns to night. From Eden lookouts cliffs, waves crashing below. Nature's wild spirit, forever on show. Oh Eden, so steady and true. From sunrise to sunset, skies of every hue. From green hills to blue waves, as far as I can see. Eden's calling out, come and be free. Oh, come and be free. Above Eden we soar, in skies endless flight, with hills, waves and sunlight, such a beautiful sight. Oh Eden, dear Eden, by the sea so wide, we carry your beauty with us in stride.